Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to cancel Google Play Store subscription. So if at the end of this you find this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Play Store application on your Android phone. Locate and click on your profile picture at the top right. Then click on payment and subscriptions. Then locate and click on subscription. Then you should see your active subscription. To cancel your active subscription, all you need to do is click on the subscription. Now you'll be taken to a manage subscription. You can either update your payment or change your backup method. Now the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on cancel subscription. Once you click on cancel subscription, then you should see a pop. On the pop, you'll be prompted to select the reason why you're canceling your subscription. So once selected, now go ahead and click on cancel subscription. And that is going to cancel your subscription on your Android. Like that, then you should say subscription cancelled. You can easily go back and then resubscribe again. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to cancel subscription on Google Play Store. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.